Hi everyone, Helen here. Q4 is approaching again and it is time to be prepared to be ahead of our print on demand game. The reason I'm making this video is because to help you achieve massive gain with your print on demand business during this Q4. One of the way to achieve great result in your print on demand is by creating products that are people looking for. Recently, I sold a couple of beach towels and even received a 5-star review for this personalized product. So creating personalized product for sure will help you find success since personalized products have become increasingly popular over there and people love the idea of having something unique and customizable product to their individual needs or as a gifting items. This is particularly true during Q4 because in this season gifts are being purchased for friends and loved ones. To do that, I could not find a better place other than Zazzle Marketplace due to various reasons. To mention a few, Zazzle has wide selection of products. It's around 2,000 products at the time of recording. Zazzle also has its own built-in design tools. It also allows customers to personalize products. For store owners also provides a number of ways to customize your storefront and feature your products in compelling ways. Above all, you are allowed to create a number of niche stores without providing additional information and hassle. Last but not least, creating a store and selling in Zazzle is free, and you can do that by using just your email address. You can set your own price, even made more when you sign up for their associate program. This is amazing. So you can act like as an affiliate for your store and promote your store products and earn more money when you are bringing the traffic in the Zazzle marketplace and sell make the sale. If you don't have a store in Zazzle, you are missing a lot by not being in that platform already. So I encourage you to open a store there and start designing products that people are seeking right now. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a template design on Zazzle Design Tool step by step. So watch until the end, every step is important. So let's dive into the process. Step 1 is very simple. Create an account if you don't have one by just using your email and set up your basic shop info. So step 2, create a product. But before we create our products, these are the things you need to put into consideration. Zazzle has, as I told you, close to 2,000 products to choose from. What it means is you cannot publish one design in various products in one go, like other print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, if you are familiar with that. You have to first target an audience, then decide what that audience is looking for and the type of product that you can sell as a coordinate for the target audience, etc. So you need to research first before creating the product. For me, currently my focus is on invitation, so including birthday, wedding, baby shower, etc. because these things happen every time. So birthdays comes and goes by, so you will not be wrong if you are creating products with these categories. So I'm going to create a birthday invitation for a magic show themed birthday for kids. So the elements that I use in this invitation are designed by me using Inkscape. So if you want to learn how to create these types of simple elements for your print-on-demand store or sell them sites like Creative Fabrica, definitely subscribe to my channel and get notified by pushing the bell icon when I publish new content. I have great video ideas coming up that will help you for your Zazzle store as well. To create product in Zazzle, you can do it from different access point. One is from your store manager, and the other place is just from the home page of Zazzle. When you see this create button, you can click that one and it will lead you to the blank create product to choose from. Then you can type whatever product you want, and when you get the right product, you can start creating. So when you click that one, the product will lead you to the actual sales page, and it will lead you to personalized that blank product. So you just need to use that to create and customize your design. When you click that, it will directly lead you to the design tool. There you will go ahead and upload elements and add texts and backgrounds. You do whatever you do until you are satisfied with the design that you are planning to create. So if you are adding your own background image, as you can see, sometimes it might not fit into the canvas all around. So if you leave it like that, it will have a white border around it, so it doesn't look appealing. So you have to, when that happens, you have to click this one, fill button. It will fill all the area outside the printing area, so that there is no any white around the design. The other thing that you need to be aware of when using the design tool is to stay in the print safe area, which is the green border. As you can see, elements are or text outside of this boundary might be cut out, so make sure to stay in this safe area by limiting the text box bound to that area only. Then put all the elements you plan to use and add the wording by using text button. You can change the font, the colors, the text as you like. You can also mark the font you like for the time, and it will be stored in the favorite font list, so it will help you to be more productive for next time. Once you finish designing, you can preview the design and look how it is on the product page. When you are happy, make the design a template product. When a product is a template, customers can have access to customize and make it their own. They can add their own detail and change it to their own preference. Even they can go to the design tool itself and modify it to their own preference. So to make a template product, here is what you should do. Open the layer by clicking this button and arrange your design elements. For me, first I like to put all the text on top layer in order of their appearance. Then I select the first text. Then as you select, go down and find this button that says make this a template. Then when you click, you will see this field. Just fill the first text box with the right label. For instance, this is a name, so I can simply say name, so the customers can put the name of the child in this case. So repeat the process for all the text that needs to be filled by the customer information, like age, address, and location, and so on. Then check if everything is placed the way it should be, and when you are certain, click done and sell it. So step 3 is listing your product in Zazzle Marketplace. And when you are listing your product for sale, these are the fields that needs to be filled: the title, the department, the general department category where your product will be placed in Zazzle Marketplace, the description, product image, other things you need to tick off, like the occasion, is it for wedding, birthday, it will have a drop down menu, so you can just select whatever you want them to be. Then you need to choose also your own store category. This is where when customer visit your store, there you will they will find this product. So for example, this is invitation. Under invitation you can put birthday, and under birthday also you can create another subcategories like by theme or by color or by whatever you want to place your product to be found by the customer. So the idea is to make easy for customers to navigate your product and find it easily, and so it can be accessible so that customers can directly go to that place. The other thing that you need to fill is keywords. That will only allow you to put up to 10 keywords, so you need to be careful when you are filling these keywords, not to be repetitive. They have also this guideline. You need to be aware of that guideline when you are filling the keywords, and make sure you are using SEO optimized keywords, so search engine optimized keywords, so that when customer type that word, your product will be available for the customer. So you need to make sure you use the right keywords. By the way, if you don't know how to formulate the base title, right description, keywords, and other related stuff related to listings, you might find this video valuable here. I talk about book listings, but the same principle applies when it comes to any product listing. So I encourage you to watch that later, because you will get a lot of valuable lessons on that video. The other one is rate your products. Is it good for child or not? You have to click whatever your product is about, and set your royalty. You need to set your royalty according to the market price. So it starts on 5%, but 10%, 15%, it depends. So just see the market and price wisely your products. Then if your product is downloadable, like invitations are eligible for downloadable product, this is where you will see your royalty and enable or disable features. If you don't want this product to be downloadable by customers, you can disable this, but I encourage you to enable it, because as you can see, you will get more money when people decide to download your designs. Then you will tell you tick publish, then it will publish your product, and Zazzle will send you right away your message: congratulations, your product is published. Then Zazzle will tell you a list of things you can do after your product is live. You can follow and optimize your listings. For now, let's see our products, and here you have it. Now you know how to create a template product that customers can edit their detail and buy. Thank you for watching. If you want to create unique masking elements to stand out from the crowd in the competitive marketplace in Zazzle, watch this video next.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes